In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a folder here in Canva. Now, unfortunately, Canva doesn't actually have this option. There is no feature where we can actually duplicate a folder. Now, all that we can do is move one folder to another. And let me go ahead and show you how. So if we come over to projects just here, we can see all of my folders. Now, if we click onto one, we can click onto the three dots. As you can see, there is no way to duplicate a folder, but we can click on Move a Folder, and then we can choose the folder that we want all of our graphics or elements to be moved to, and then click on Move Folder. Now, on the home page, if we come over to here, we can simply come over to projects just here, find our folder, click on the three dots, and then we have this option again. So unfortunately, we can't actually duplicate folders here in Canva, but we can move everything to another folder. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.